Hello and welcome to Tolaris University. In this video, we'll show you how to add a new handheld to XPressEntry. Now we assume in this video that you have XPressEntry installed, which you see in the middle of my screen, and that you have your handheld connected, which you see on the far right of my screen. Now to connect your handheld, this must be connected to your server either via Wi-Fi, or if you are connecting through LTE through a VPN or public address, or you can use the cradle that comes with our XPressEntry device, the handheld device, to connect into your network. So we assume that your handheld is connected. In my case, my handheld is connected via Wi-Fi, which you see here. And on your server, the first thing to do is to check what type of service you are running. And in this case, you go into server. And in my case, I'm running HTTPS. The default is HTTP and legacy, but all you need to do is to identify what type of service you're running and also check and confirm that the service is running with this message saying service running right here. Now, once this is confirmed, the best way to connect is to go into the Add Handheld Wizard. This shows you the different steps of connecting and gives you some advice on how to connect your device. So let's try the first method. The first method is a manual method, and this is by typing in the IP of the server and the username and password. This is not recommended because we recommend that you do not give out your username and password for your administrators. But if this is the way you want to connect it and you have admins who have access to this password, this is an option. Now to do this, you need to identify what the IP address is, and you can check this under Help, About, and the IP address of the server will be listed right here. So let's just copy the IP address, and I'll type it into my handheld. My username is admin, and password is the default. And once you put in the username and password, all you need to do is to hit connect, and this should quickly connect your device and profile the handheld. Now, another way to connect is by using the same wizard, but the QR code option. This is a better option because with this option, you don't need to share your username or password, just to give the QR code to your admin, and they can connect once the administrator gives them access. Now let's just reset the device so that we can try this option. Now on the server here, select the middle option of the handheld wizard. And remember, the first thing to do is to set the number of devices you want to connect. Now, what this does is to open the server to connect those amount of devices. So whenever you increase this number, the server will be expecting those amount of devices without a password. This is better than sharing your password because it opens the server only to devices that are connected to your network. Please note that this connects through HTTPS by default. If you do not want it to connect through HTTPS, you can uncheck the Use HTTPS button if you're using HTTP on your environment. And let's increase this to 1. And remember to select the IP of the server, or if you have a special server name, a cloud server, you can use that as well. Now click the QR and then go into your handheld and hit Quick QR Setup. Just point your device to the QR to scan the QR code, and it's as simple as ABC. This would connect your device and immediately pull all the data and profile the device. And these are the two ways you can connect your device to the server. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions at helpdesk@tolaris.com or sales@tolaris.com for any technical or product inquiries. Thank you.